The majority of Christian parents would never give their children to Muslim, Hindu, Buddhist, or Marxist communist schools, where complete strangers they know nothing about and out of their sight for 8 hours a day, 5 days a week for the 12 most important years of their children's lives, for the express purpose to work on, mold, and shape their child's mind. And yet that's exactly what 90% of all Christian parents do. They send their children to pagan, atheist, public, government-run schools. White Dove Fellowship has been a homeschool-friendly church for over 26 years. Under the vision and direction of Pastors Mike and Elaine Miele, White Dove Fellowship established the Home Educators Cooperative, a community and fellowship of like-minded parents who want to raise their children, educate their children, and take full responsibility of training up the child in the way he should go. If you have questions about homeschooling or want to learn more about the Home Educators Cooperative at White Dove Fellowship, you're encouraged to call 504-362-3379. Look us up on Facebook at facebook.com White Dove NOLA, or email Pastor Trey at troberts@whitedove.org.